Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about language and literature of Shatavahana dynasty. According to Puranas, Shatavahanas are Andhras. According to Puranas, Shatavahanas are Andhras and they ruled Deccan region. Like Matsya Puranam, Vayu Puranam provides an information long list of 30 rulers known as Andhra Pratyas. Provides a long list of 30 rulers known as Andhra Pratyas. Shatavahanas ruled from 271 BCE to before Common Era to 178 Common Era. Shatavahanas ruled from 271 BCE to 178 CE. The political history of Shatavahanas is divided into two phases, the early phase and the later phase. The early phase ruled from 271 BCE to 114 CE Common Era, and the later phase and the later Shatavahanas ruled from 114 Common Era to 178 Common Era. The capitals of Shatavahanas. Shatavahanas had different capitals at different times. Pratisthanapuram also called as Paitan. So Paitan located in Aurangabad district in Maharashtra. So next capital Amaravati located in present Andhra Pradesh. So the great ruler of Shatavahana dynasty. Who was the great ruler of Shatavahana dynasty? Gautamiputra Shatakarni. Gautamiputra Shatakarni was the great ruler of Shatavahana dynasty. And who was the founder of the Shatavahana dynasty? Simuka or Chimuka. So the last great ruler of Shatavahana dynasty, Yajnasri Shatakarni. So two important inscriptions are there. Nasik inscription and Nanaghat inscription gives an information about the Shatavahana dynasty. Nanaghat inscription was issued by Devi Naganika, wife of Shatakarni I. And Nasik inscription was issued by Gautami Balasri, mother of Gautamiputra Shatakarni. Nasik inscription tells about the achievements of Gautamiputra Shatakarni. So now we will discuss about language and literature of Shatavahana dynasty. Language and literature of Shatavahana dynasty. Okay, so the official language of the Shatavahana dynasty was Prakrit. By the 3rd century BCE, the people of Deccan became familiar with the Brahmi script and Prakrit language. Almost all the documents of the Shatavahanas were recorded in Prakrit. Sanskrit also used during this period. So Gunadhya wrote Bruhat Katha. Gunadhya was the first poet from Telangana who hailed from Medak district. Bruhat Katha, it was the earliest collection which deals with the adventures of a hero, Nalvahana Datta. So Bruhat Katha also talks about another language existed during this period, that is Desi language. So another important book of Shatavahana period, Gada Saptashati was written by Hala, the 17th ruler of Shatavahana dynasty, Hala. So this is an anthology of 700 verses. It is in the Maharashtra Prakrit. So many Telugu words used in Gada Saptashati like Atta, Putta, Attamo. So many Telugu words used in Gada Saptashati. This is an anthology of 700 verses. This is noted for sentimental and ironical expressions, love and ironical expressions. Later, next important book, Leelavati Parinayam. So Leelavati Parinayam was written by Kutuhala. So this book tells about the marriage between Hala and Leelavati. Hala, the 17th ruler of Shatavahana dynasty, Leelavati, the Sri Lanka princess. This marriage took place at Draksharamam according to this book. Next, another important book of Shatavahana, Vasayana Kama Sutra. So Vasayana Kama Sutra gives an information, some important festivals of Telangana period. Festivals are Kaumudi Mahotsavam and Madanotsava. Next, Kalidasa wrote Malavika Agni Mitra. Malavika Agnimitram also tells about the information of Shatavahana dynasty. And another important book, Katantra Vyakaranam. This is a Sanskrit grammar book, Katantra Vyakaranam. Katantra Vyakaranam was written by Sharvavarma. Sharvavarma was patronized by Kuntala Shatakarni. Sharvavarma was patronized by Kuntala Shatakarni. So his grammar was kept short and handy to help the learning of Sanskrit about 6 months. So it's a grammar book, Sanskrit grammar book. Sharvavarma wrote a Katantra Vyakaranam. Katantra Vyakaranam is a Sanskrit grammar book. Next important person, Acharya Nagarjuna. Acharya Nagarjuna was patronized by Agnesri Shatakarni. Who was the Agnesri Shatakarni? The last great ruler of Shatavahana dynasty, Agnesri Shatakarni. So Acharya Nagarjuna was a famous Mahayana Buddhist. Acharya Nagarjuna was patronized by Agnesri Shatakarni. Acharya Nagarjuna also called as Indian dynasty. Acharya Nagarjuna also called as Indian dynasty. Acharya Nagarjuna wrote many books. Prajnaparamita Shastra, Mula Madhyamika Karika, Suhruleka, Ratnavali, Sutra Samuchaya, Bodhisattva Vivara. So Acharya Nagarjuna books, famous books, Prajnaparamita Shastra, Mula Madhyamika Karika, Suhruleka, Ratnavali, Sutra Samuchaya, Bodhisattva Vivara. This is all about literature of Shatavahana dynasty. Okay, thank you.